Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your home with State Farm step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your home's security needs. Identify potential entry points such as doors, windows, and garages. Inspect these areas for any vulnerabilities. Consider installing deadbolt locks for added protection on exterior doors. Use window locks and secure sliding glass doors with pins or security bars. Next, evaluate your outdoor lighting. Ensure all entrances are well lit with motion sensor lights. Install additional lighting in dark areas around your property. Now, let's talk about alarms and surveillance. Choose a reputable home security system that suits your budget. Install security cameras at key locations, like entrances and driveways. Consider a system that offers remote monitoring through a smartphone app. After that, focus on home safety practices. Create a routine to check locks before leaving or going to bed. Never leave spare keys in obvious places, like under mats or flower pots. Inform trusted neighbors when you will be away for an extended period. Now, consider insurance options with State Farm. Contact a State Farm agent to discuss home insurance policies. Ask about discounts for enhanced security features. Review your policy to ensure it covers theft and property damage. Finally, maintain your security measures regularly. Test your alarms and cameras monthly to ensure they function properly. Update your security systems as technology advances. Stay vigilant and protect your home with proactive measures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.